Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add a zip code to a Mastercard gift card. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Adding a zip code to your Mastercard gift card can help ensure smooth transactions, especially for online purchases. Here, how you can do it. Step 1. Visit the card issuer's website. Go to the website of the company that issued your Mastercard gift card. This information is usually found on the back of the card. Step 2. Log in or register. If you have not, create an account or log in to your existing account. Step 3. Add zip code. Look for an option to manage your card or update your billing information. Enter your zip code in the appropriate field. Step 4. Save changes. Make sure to save any changes you make to ensure the zip code is updated. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.